Hi, Tyson Mutrux here with Mutrux Firm Injury Lawyers. Today I'm going to answer the question of, can I change my answers during or after a deposition? The answer to that question is yes. However, you got to be careful doing this. You can change truthful answers. Your testimony is what your testimony is, so you can't change it and say, oh, well, that wasn't right. Now, if it truly was not correct, if the court reporter got it wrong, there are mechanisms for correcting that, okay? So I want to make sure I'm clear about that. That's why a lot of court reporters actually will record with an audio recorder the actual deposition so they can save it just to make sure that they got it right. So that can be corrected. But if let's say you say that the light was green and it was actually red, if you misspoke, you can let the other attorney know, hey, I screwed up. I didn't mean to say that, but the jury's going to weigh whether or not they believe you on that, okay? Especially on a very significant thing like that. If you did misspeak, and you can prove that in many situations, it was a Tuesday, I said a Wednesday. Obviously, you can correct things like that. That can be proven with a calendar and the set of facts that accompany that. So you can change your answer during a deposition. That's the most important time to change the answer, because you say, you know what, I said that the light was green earlier. I was completely blanked, and I meant it was green, or vice versa, whatever it may be. And so you can definitely do it. And I encourage clients, listen, if you misspoke at some point during the deposition, or if you misspeak at some point during the deposition, stop and say, hey, I said something I didn't mean earlier. I don't know what I was thinking. And that's a good opportunity to correct it. I give them that power to do that, because sometimes people are afraid to do that. They're thinking, oh my gosh, I already said that. Now I just screwed everything up. No, just stop in the middle of it. I've got to say something. I got to correct the record, because I misspoke and I did not mean to say what I said earlier. Maybe sometimes people misremember things. That does happen. We're human beings, and so it's okay to do that. It's much harder after the fact, but it can be done. All right, if you have any questions about any of that, give me a call, 888-550-4026. You can also check us out on our YouTube channel, Mutrux Firm Injury Lawyers. Subscribe there so you can get updates, and also like us on Facebook, where we share great information every single day. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you.